Ask Doug. Doug, what do we do if my wife or I need to be emergency medically evacuated? Ask Doug FAQs and Answers about travel insurance is a series of videos providing information on how to use your travel medical insurance best for you and your family. Doug, what do we do if my wife or I need to be emergency medically evacuated? First and foremost, Shawn, you and your wife or medical staff that is with you need to connect directly with your travel insurance company. Emergency medical evacuations must always be coordinated by your travel medical insurance company. Please call the emergency number on your travel medical ID card. Your travel medical insurance company will verify that your emergency medical evacuation is needed by talking to your medical staff with you. Once it is agreed upon to provide your emergency medical evacuation, your travel medical insurance handles that from the start to finish at no out-of-pocket to you besides your travel insurance premium. Find out more information on your travel insurance options, gninsurance.com/travel.